Of course, I won't claim that we are always successful. We have had enough of our share of failure. I think all those failures are behind us, but very important to look at continuously on failures and understand why there were some failures. Of course, it is very important to speak about failures. We had mission failure in some of our launches in the past. Some of the development launches of launch vehicles definitely did fail, like the first launch of the PSLV failed, the first launch of SSLV failed. We couldn't land soft land on the moon with the Chandrayaan-3. I think they were all realities. And when a failure occurs, we have a very solid mechanism within the organization to understand and go through the analysis of the failure and pinpoint the reason why which it failed. And we take a lot of actions and effort to how to mitigate those failures. So, as a space agency, I can tell you that this is a very unforgiving task of designing space systems, rockets and satellites and missions. Anytime it can fail, and there is no conditions of that failure will never happen, that can never be told. Precisely, it is because of this reason that the testing of any space system is not 100% possible in the ground condition. They need to actually fly, and when the very first flight is the actual flight, and there are no test flights possible in the fullest extent. So, the conditions in missions are always much more gruesome than that you actually do in ground. So, this is one of the reasons that failures can happen, but then with the time, with experience, you engineer systems in very skeptical way. You always ask this question, how it can fail, and we mitigate those failure by appropriate design activities. And this is a nature of our work. Possibly we are better off, and I think the Indian ingenuity definitely must be there behind our successes. I am very sure about it.